A blank rewards page in Giraffe usually means the app couldn't load reward information from its servers, not that your earned coins have disappeared. Confirming that first helps you avoid unnecessary troubleshooting. By the end of this video, you'll know why the rewards page can appear blank, how to refresh it correctly, and what to do if it never loads. Start with the simplest check. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Open a website or another app that requires internet access. If those apps also struggle to load, fix your connection before troubleshooting Giraffe. If your connection is working completely, close Giraffe and reopen it. When the app starts again, return to the rewards section and wait a moment to see if the available rewards load normally. Next, check whether an update is available in the Google Play Store. Running an older version of the app can sometimes cause pages to display incorrectly if the service has changed since your last update. If the page is still blank, restart your phone. A restart clears temporary system processes that may interfere with apps loading online content. After your device turns back on, open Giraffe again, and check the rewards page before changing any settings. You should also verify that the rest of the app is working normally. If your games, coin balance and profile load correctly, but only the rewards page stays blank, the issue is likely isolated to that section rather than your entire account. Avoid repeatedly tapping the rewards page or constantly reopening the app every few seconds. If the service is temporarily unavailable, repeated refresh attempts usually won't make it load faster. Also avoid uninstalling the app immediately. Reinstalling is rarely the first solution for a page that depends on online data, and it may force you to sign in again without addressing the actual cause. If the rewards page remains blank after confirming your connection, updating the app, and restarting your device, contact Giraffe support through the app or their official support channel. Include your device model, Android version, screenshots of the blank page, and a brief description of the steps you've already tried. Providing that information helps support identify whether the issue is related to your account or a temporary service problem. To summarize, first confirm your internet connection, restart the app and your phone, check for updates, and verify whether only the rewards page is affected. If nothing changes, report the issue with screenshots and complete device information. If this guide saved you some time, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Giraffe troubleshooting tutorials for more practical fixes.